Hi, welcome to my Lab 6 video. In this video, I'm going to introduce what I have accomplished so far and how I did it. First of all, I used two tools that we didn't use in our previous labs, which are Pro Builder and Pro Grid. These two tools are very useful with resizing and repositioning the objects, especially when making the grid game like this. For example, if I want to move the sphere here, it only moves half grid each time, so that I can make sure that I place the object in the position that I want. In here, I just want it to be in the center of the grid. Then if you look at the hierarchy tab, this is very simple. I created a floor and 4 walls to be the room for the snake. And then I have a cube named the head, which is the snake head, and the empty game object is which named the snake body. So it's gonna generate the body of the snake when I play the game. And finally, I have the sphere named Apple. Then in my assets, I created two more folders, which are prefabs and script. In the prefab folders, I have the body to be the prefabs, which is gonna generate it in the game. And I have the script. So, by now, I only have two scripts, which are Apple controller and snake controller. And I'm not sure if I need to show the code in this video, but I know I don't want to show the code in my final video. So in this video, I'm gonna just go through the code very briefly. In my snake controller, all I did is to control the snake movement. So here you can see the directions is set up here with WSD key. And then the threshold here is to hold the speed of the snake body, so that it's not gonna update each frame. The position of the snake body is not gonna update each frame. It's gonna update based on the timer. But if you get an apple, the threshold will decrease and the snake body and the speed of the snake body will increase. So it also increase the difficulty of the game. And in the Apple controller, it's very simple and very short. I'll only do one method here, which detects the collision between the apple and snake. So if it collides with the snake head, it's gonna call the get apple method and reposition the apple. If it hits the snake body, it just reposition the apple. Okay, and now let's see how the game will look like. So this is the snake. You can see there are one head and three body. And if I'm using the WSD to control the snake, and if I add an apple, like I just did, it will elongate the snake body. So you can see there are 4 cubes here. And now I'm getting my second apple. Okay, and each time if the apple is eaten by the snake, it will reposition to a random position in the room. Now the snake, it just moves relatively slow here, but as it gets more apples, the speed will increase. By now, you may not see very obviously the speed is not very fast here, but you can see it increases very subtly. Okay, now it's very obvious the speed has increased. So that's all for this video. In next week, I will add more functionalities. For example, the snake should die when it hits the wall or hit itself. And I may add more features to the projects, like adding some traps or moving enemies to make the game more interesting. Thanks for watching.